Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a gravy that's real popular in the Delta area, and it's chocolate gravy. I hope you will enjoy it because most people do. They serve it over hot biscuits. First of all, we're going to put a stick of butter. You know, this is not like an electric stove. We don't have numbers on it. But for years and years I had electric stove, and I'd see all the cooks have gas stoves, and I wanted a gas stove when I built this house. So then I have been cooking on gas ever since. I like it. You can regulate your heat quicker. I guess it's just whatever you like, you know. We need to get the butter melted before we add any more ingredients. Okay, I think this is about ready. We have 2 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of cocoa. This is Hershey's cocoa. Going to try to get all the lumps out of it before we add the other ingredients. We've got a little over 1/2 cup of sugar. Now you can regulate the sugar. Depends on how sweet you want it, so it's up to you how much sugar. The recipe will call for 1/2 to 2/3, so we have a little over 1/2, not much over 1/2. Vanilla is made out of vanilla beans and vodka, so you know how you cook alcohol out of dishes that you make. It's the same thing with that. This is not done like much being finished. We're going to let it thicken up a little bit, and then we'll add the vanilla to it. Homemade vanilla is really good. You have to order your vanilla beans and put you some vodka over it. And it has to sit for quite a while. And this looks like it's just about right to me. I think it's finished. We can turn the stove off. We're going to put this vanilla. I was about to forget about that. It's 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Just enough to give it a little vanilla taste. Well, we're finished with that. This is your chocolate gravy. Now our chocolate gravy is finished. We're going to serve this over some biscuits. Made some hot biscuits to go with this. I think you really will like this if you try it. I hope you try this, and I hope you like it as much as we do. And I'll see you on another video. Thank you for watching.